Oh, hi there. Thanks for stopping by my shower. Okay, so today on Sonia Says, I'm going to teach you how to wash your take a shower. Because, okay, I talked to a client and they were telling me that they were having skin problems. And I asked her, what do you wash with? And she says, you know, just my hands and soap. Not good. Many men also, I'm finding out, will just stand under the water and let the pressure from the water clean their bodies. Not good. So I'm going to teach you today how to wash. That's my theme music. Okay, so my favorites are the bath brush. I get this from The Body Shop. It's a fantastic tool. It reaches all the way back. Note the hair. We're going to teach you how to wax that later. All the way down to the legs, bottom of the feet. Good reach. My new favorite tool is the Olay Puff. This thing is fantastic, but it only lasts for about 30 washes. I bathe sometimes 3 times a day, so that's about 10 days for me, possibly a week and a half. It's one of my treats. So we're going to put that to the side, but the exfoliation on this is marvelous. Get a good exfoliation. You want to slough off the first layer of skin, so a nice abrasive surface is very important. So I'll put this over here. And if you notice, I've got some staples in my shower. I prefer a couple of body washes. These are my treats. Instead of going for the food as a treat, I treat myself with body wash. A different smell for a different day. We're also going to be using our baking soda today, the Shake-a-Bake-a. A face wash. I prefer Clean and Clear. I've tried the off-brand. I actually took it back. Kroger's has a guarantee. If you don't like it, bring it back. I brought it back. Okay, so we're going to start with the face. So get your water temperature set. Turn it away. Let's try not to die because it's pretty well lit in here. As you notice, I'm not naked, but in Utah, this is how we bathe. In Utah, we bathe in because it's illegal to be naked in Utah. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. No, because if I'm naked, my rating goes from PG to no-go. All right. What'd you say? Okay, so we're going to start with water temperature. I like to start with the face. Get a good lather going. We're going in circular motion. Always in a circular motion. Up with the neck. All around. And they'll tell you not to wash your face in the shower because of the steam and the heat and I prefer the shower. Steam opens the pores, gets you a better clean. While that's working, I'm gonna lather up the brush. Get a good lather, people. Don't waste your soap. All right. Make a nice little swirl. I like to make an S. Wet your brush, not too much. Get your lather into the brush. And we're going to go in circular motion. Start with the arms. Get your hands, cuticles, and then in circular motion, wash the whole thing. Yeah. Front and back to the pit. Get some shoulders going. Mid-back. Other side. Circle. Circle. Both ways. Both sides. Get those elbows. My mom always used to say, wash your elbows. You don't want black elbows. Get them pits. Very pits. Okay. Ladies, wash your boobs. Feel around. Make sure there's no lumps in there. Every day you should be doing an exam. Every day. Hey. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Get the belly. Work your way to the back. Get a little hot. Okay, get some more water on there. And let's get these legs. Prop it up. Circle. Get the back of the thigh. Ladies, this is going to help with cellulite. Circular motion both ways stimulates the blood flow in the knee. Don't try this at home. If you're not flexible, it's okay. Bottom of the feet. Athlete's foot is bad. And you know, I pee in the shower because good for athlete's feet. Okay, my shower. Sterile. Okay, other leg. Circles. Got it. All the way down. Wash your butt. Wash, okay, you don't have to, don't put the camera on my vagina. Okay, we're not going to show this part, but you, ladies, wash your vagina. Split the lips, squat a bit, and put some soap directly on your hand and get in between them labia. Gentlemen, lift your balls. They'll tell you not to wash with soap. I wash with soap. Nobody wants a funky twat. Also with your butt. Put some soap right in between there. Lift the cheeks. Roll it around there. It's not going to kill you. And quite frankly, whatever your vagina gets used to, it's going to get used to, right? So use a mild soap. If you break out, go for like a summer's eve or something. But definitely put some soap on those lips. Squat and roll. Both sides, all the way in, all the way to the back, all the way around. Okay. Now we're going to rinse it off. And I quite like these because they don't hold the bacteria. Rags are going to hold the bacteria. You fold them up, they're going to be wet and mushy and icky, and everything inside of there stays there until the next time you wash. This puppy, you rinse it off, shake it, hang it. And it is usually dry by the next time you take a shower. Alright, so let's rinse. And then at the car wash, whoa, yeah. Rinse your soap off completely and thoroughly. Rub. Using hand, circular motion again. Okay, rinse face. And I always finish with a baking soda exfoliation for my face. Face and what is called the décolletage. Yes, this area. Neck, face, pat. And right in here, if you go to the gym, you'll find that when you lose fat, burn fat, this area right here will start to break out. I got a couple of bumps. You see the nose? Could you see the, oh, right there. No? Okay, whatever. So rub there, especially in the summertime where you like to show all the animal. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Neck goes up, circles, and that's going to take out that first layer of dead skin on your face. Rub. Forehead. I got extra forehead, so you guys spend a little extra time right here. Rub, both ways. Shine up the forehead. I call it the headlight. And again, you rinse. Whenever I rinse, I just put a little water in my hand, go up, and it gets my whole face. That's what it is. So I blow, and it gets it all the way up to your forehead. Because I don't like getting water in my nose. Yeah. One final rinse. This is like showering in gym class in like the 7th grade. Remember that? Where you kept your bra on and you were like dipping your arms and your feet in. Okay. Water off. Pat dry. Try not to rub. A pat. If you can, air dry. If not, that's okay. Pat. Leave a bit of moisture because I always moisturize whilst it's still in the shower. So I've got some grapeseed oil. You can use what you want. Baby oil, whatever. So, grapeseed oil. And I have the Johnson's Baby. I like this. This is nice. Especially in the summer. Gives you a fresh smell. So let's go with the grapeseed today. Rub. Start with the arms. I like working my way down. Boobs. Belly. Booty. Legs. And as your body absorbs the water, it's going to absorb the oil. Try not to do it when you're dry. You'll have this like dry Jerry curl skin thing going on. It's just bad. Don't put it on your face. On your face, we're going to do something different. And that's in this video. Okay, thanks for showering with us. I do.